guys, it's Nicole Randomly, and for this video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. This is a collab with this other YouTuber. She's a close friend of mine. Her name is Kitty C. That's her YouTube channel's name. It will be linked down below. She'll also be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Let's continue watching so you can see how I did this. So I'm going to start off by my daily moisturizer, and I already applied that to my face. Next I'm going to apply my concealer, my e.l.f. concealer, and with my fingers I'm going to kind of blend it in, but then afterwards I'm going to use a brush to completely blend it in. I'm going to put some over my eyelids too, so the makeup could apply more smoothly, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush to blend it in. I'm also going to put some concealer on any dark spots or acne spots I have. Next, I'm going to put my foundation on, which is my e.l.f. acne fighting concealer. And then again, I'm going to go with this, but I'm going to do this, and you guys are going to hate me because I'm not really a professional. But then again, I'm not the best at makeup, I'm not the best at YouTube or at life, so, I like to spread it around, and then I kind of blend it with my oval brush, or what do you want to call it. And then I spray some rose water on it so the application can be smoother. And then after I apply my makeup, I'm going to go over with concealer again because I have really dark circles that I can't really cover up that easily, and my acne scars are really... This time I'm going to go with the beauty blender and just slightly tap it. Tap, 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 tap. After that, I'm going to use my e.l.f. powder foundation, or setting powder, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to start off by putting some heart stickers on my eye area. I try to make them as even as they could, obviously. I'm going to start off with this Colourpop pinkish red shade called Erotic, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid as the base. I'm going to switch brushes. I'm using this e.l.f. brush that I got for Christmas. Now I'm going to go lower it down here as if you were applying highlight. Now with this e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to try to blend it as much as I can because I don't want it too harsh. Next, I'm going to go with this other Colourpop eyeshadow called Stay Golden, and I'm going to use that on top of it. I'm going to go with my Naked palette, Naked 3 palette, sorry. And I'm going to go with the lightest colors. I'm going to go over with Dust and Burnout on my inner corners. And then I'm going to set it right there. Next, I'm going to go over eyeliner I usually do my eyeliner before I put on eyeshadow, so it's gonna be tricky. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Eyeliner. Mowing it out like that. So now that I'm done with the eye, kind of, not really, I have to go over with concealer on my eyebrows because I forgot to do my eyebrows, like always. Now I'm going to put some concealer, because I'm scared of it, under the eyebrow area. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. And I'm going to apply very lightly because I'm going to put some false lashes over it. Next, I'm going to use these like false lashes in the outer corner because I don't really like the inner corner. Now I'm going to take off the stickers, which are like, it's hard because it kept sticking off as I was doing the eyeshadow part, so I might have to clean them just a little. So I'm just going to go very lightly with concealer just to like clean it up a bit. But now I'm going to go with the pink Colourpop eyeshadow. I'm going to like kind of contour my nose just a little. And with this kind of blending brush, it's a concealer brush, but I don't get how it's a concealer brush, I'm going to like blend it. Stay golden color to make it stand out just a bit. And then now I'm going, like in the very center, I'm going to go with my e.l.f. highlighter, just in the very, very center, so it can pop out. With my highlighter brush, I'm going to go right in my lip area so I can like highlight it and it can make my lips look more plump. Then I'm going to go with this Clinique lipstick. It's in Nude Pop. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. This was inspired by this Instagram girl who did the pink thing, the nose thing, but it was basically inspired by it, by her look. So I'm going to link her Instagram down below, and hopefully I was able to link a picture of her makeup, of what she did. If you don't like how mine looked, then please go look at Kitty's and do her look, because hers, I know that it's going to look fantastic because her makeup is always beautiful and I love her. And yeah, so this is it, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Love yourself, love others. The world needs a lot of love nowadays and forever, basically. That's it, guys. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.